JAMB 2016 Mathematics. Question number 1. Find n if 34 base n is equal to 10011 base 2. Solution. This is a question on number base. So what we are going to do here is we'll write the expression again. 34 base n is equal to 10011 base 2. Now we're going to convert both sides of this equation to base 10. To convert 34 base n to base 10, we have 0, 1. So we can now say 3 times n raised to the power of 1 plus 4 times n raised to the power of 0 equal to the other side of the expression should also be converted to base 10. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we have 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. We move on. 3 times 3 raised to the power of n raised to the power of 1 is n. 3 times n is equal to 3n. So plus 4 times n raised to the power of 0. We have n raised to the power of 0 to be 1. Any number, any term raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we can say n raised to the power of 0 equal to 1. 2 raised to the power of 0 equal to 1. Even 1000 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have 4 times 1 to be equal to 4. Equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. So we have 16 here. Plus, if you take a look at this number, we have 0 times 2 raised to the power of 3. And we remember that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 times 0 equal to 0. 8 times 0 equal to 0. 1 million times 0 is still 0. So we can now move on to say 0 plus 0 because this is also multiplied by 0. Now we move on. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1. Any number raised to the power of 1 is the same number. So 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. So 1 times 2 is simply 2. Plus, remember that any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we can say 1 times 1 to be equal to 1. Alright. 3n, we have 3n plus 4 here equal to 1 times 16. 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. So we have 3n plus 4 equal to 16 plus 2 is 18 plus 1 is 19. So we have 19 here. Now we're going to collect the like terms. So we have 3n equal to 19 minus 4. And 3n will be equal to 19 minus 4 is 15. To get n now, we divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 3. So we have divided by 3, divided by 3. Therefore, n will be equal to, this can strike out, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So the correct option here is A, which is 5.